Hi, kindergartners. I have an activity for us to do, and this is from Intentional Teaching Card M13 called Hidden Shapes. And before we get into the activity, I wanted to go over some shapes that I have here on my piece of paper. Okay, do you see all these shapes? All right, let's go over these shapes. Let's see if you know all of them. Okay, here's a circle, easy, oval, triangle, square, trapezium, diamond, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. All the gons in here, the beginning of each of those words denote how many sides that shape has. Actually, starting with this one over here, starting with the pentagon. Penta is 5, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon has 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. We can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A heptagon has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. An octagon, octo, does that sound familiar? Like an octopus? Octopus has 8 arms. An octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A nonagon has 9 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And a decagon has 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Those are some, this is a great shape reference for you. I also wanted to tell you some more basic shapes. This has many of our basic shapes. Some were already on the previous piece of paper, but I wanted to include star, heart, and the other paper had the circle, the triangle, the square, the diamond, the rectangle, the oval, but things like the star and the heart as well are shapes. Now, for this activity, you will need to cut out some shapes of your own. And for your parents' reference, I have included a PDF of some shapes for you to print out, and you could cut them out, and or you could just cut your own shapes, and so that you can use them for this activity. I have some pre-cut shapes here in my pan. So I need 3 things. I need a shallow pan, which I'm using a clear one so you can see what I'm doing. This one's glass. You might not want to use a glass one. Please ask an adult at your house before you get anything out. Please ask your adult at the house. So shallow pan is what you need. Some pre-cut shapes is the second thing that you need. And the third thing that you need is some uncooked rice. That's right here. Uncooked rice, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I've got my shapes in the bottom of my pan, and I'm going to pour the rice on top of the shapes. I want to try to cover all the shapes, okay? All right, now begins our hidden treasure. So remember, we covered the shapes in my shallow pan with uncooked rice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig in here and I'm going to find a shape. What shape is that? That's a triangle. So I'm going to make different piles, okay? I'm going to separate them. I'm going to put this in my triangle pile right over here. Ooh, here's a good one. There's a rectangle. I'm going to put this in a separate pile. This is going to go in my rectangle pile. Okay. Let's see what else we find. Ooh, circle. I'm going to put this over here in my circle pile. And you just keep going till you pull them all out. And these are currently hidden, but they will, when you remove them, they will not be hidden anymore. And these are your treasures, your shape treasures, okay? This is a fun game to play. You could play it with your sibling at home or maybe with your parent. Another thing you could do is just go on a shape hunt around your house. You can begin looking for shapes around your house. Once you cut out some shapes, you can say, okay, I have this triangle. I'm going to go find something in my house that's a triangle shape, okay? And you can go put this on your triangle shape in your house, okay? You can find a rectangle shape. Rectangles can also sit like this. For instance, the cabinet behind me is a rectangle shape. Okay, I could put that on my cabinet. The circle shape that I pulled out, there's got to be something in your house that's a round circle shape. If you find it, you could go put it over on that object. All right, that's another way you could add to the game and have fun. All right, I hope you guys have a great time with this game. I can't wait to hear how you play the game and how you made it your own. Thanks.